Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and these are the top icons of February 2018 Part 2. Now just quickly as a disclaimer, everything in this video is filmed on my iPhone 7 Plus using Filmic Pro. So first up we have the Gion Icon Pack. Now this has 673 custom icons with 5 cloud wallpapers. Now as you can see, they are really nice icons, but one thing that I would say is because there aren't really too many that are skinned, it does leave some in your app drawer that don't look necessarily right. Now I am a fan of when an icon pack completely changes up the colour of your icons, but only if it does it to every icon that you've got on your device. Now for me, I would personally just use this to just customize ones maybe on my home screen for example, but if you are to do that and you've got the right wallpaper, this can look really nice. Next up we have Lens Icon Pack. Now again, this is a newer icon pack, so you've got 475 custom icons, but you do have 45 cloud wallpapers. And as you can see from the icons themselves, they've got a lot of different layers to them with some shadows as well, which is something that I haven't really seen before. They're kind of multi-layered, and the good news is if it doesn't skin a particular icon, it does its best to mask that so you don't really notice it all too bad, which means that you can use this across your whole device. Next up, and my favourite on the list, is going to be Sugar Lines Icon Pack. Now you've got 417 icons at the moment. You don't unfortunately have any cloud wallpapers, but for me with an icon pack, that doesn't really make too much difference. Now the icons themselves do have a kind of drawn design, but instead of looking like they're hand done, it does look like it's been computer generated, but I do like that you've got some really nice colours with some bold black outlines that really make some of the icons pop. Now it is a bit of a shame that they are quite limited with the amount of icons that are currently skinned, but hopefully this is an icon pack that's going to receive a ton of support for a long period of time, so hopefully at some point you're going to be able to use it on your device and have everything on there skinned. Oreo Silver is a very bold but also very nice icon pack. You've got 756 icons currently, no cloud wallpapers, however they have guaranteed that every 2 weeks the application is going to get updated, so if there are some apps that aren't currently skinned at the moment, hopefully that will get sorted very shortly. The icons themselves have a very nice gradient effect to them, but they do also come across very flat and material, which is something that you don't really get with a gradient style icon. Normally it looks 3D and kind of popping off the screen a little bit, but with these ones they do have a flat material design to them, which I'm currently a fan of. And then lastly we have the Neon Icon Pack with 326 icons and 12 cloud wallpapers. Now for me, this icon pack looks extremely nice, but again it is the kind of pack that you're going to really use just to customize single applications on your home screen, as once you go into your app drawer you can see that it looks a little bit strange because of how unique the icon pack actually is. Now it looks like that the icons that are skinned, they do have a neon design to them, so kind of like with the neon tubing lights for example, which does look really nice on darker wallpapers, doesn't necessarily look great on brighter wallpapers or white backgrounds as you can see here, but overall if you've got the right setup this can look really nice. And that's going to do it guys for this video. Now all the icon packs that I've mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description down below, along with the first part of the icons for February 2018, which is a video that I'd done around a week ago on the channel, so keep an eye out for that down in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions or comments or any icon packs you want me to look at in the future, let me know in the comments section down below or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. Also don't forget to follow me on all of my social networks, so Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and they're all going to be linked down below along with that subscribe button which you guys need to hit to get some more content moving forward. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks for watching and I will catch you guys in the next video.